Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Vedic Maths 2. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum is 30. Guys, remember to read all the instructions before attempting the question paper. Okay, so let me just do my code. Okay, question number 1, attempt any 4 of the following. Here, solve for x. Here's the quadratic question. I'm not going to read it. You guys just can see it on the screen. B part, find the HCF of the polynomials. Again, algebraic expression there. Okay. B, solve for x and y. Here the equation. Then D, find the determinants of the matrix. Here's the matrix. Now let's go on with here's the E part. Find the equation of the straight line passing through. Here are the coordinates. Question number 2. A. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 15. The number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the given number by 9. Find the number. B. If in a triangle the hypotenuse is 70 and the sum of other two sides is 2, find the base, the altitude. 3. A. Find the inverse of the matrix. Here the inverse of the matrix. Here's the B. Find the coordinates of the point that divides the line segment joining. Here are the coordinates 1, 7 and 2, 3 in the ratio 1 is to 3. As for question number 4, if here's the quadratic, find the value of then find the value of x. B, the front of the field is 11 meters, 11 meter, and its earth base is twice the front, and the other two sides are 13 meter and 20 meter. 12 meter is the perpendicular between the front and the base. Find the area of the field. Thank you. If you guys want any of the PYQs of any of the subject, do mention them in the comment, and I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.